Have you ever felt like something was missing in your life? Like you're going through the motions, but you're just not really living? If so, you are not alone. Many people struggle to identify and pursue their passions, whether it's due to external pressures, financial constraints, or simply just not knowing what they really want. So in this video, we're going to explore some tips and strategies for discovering and pursuing your dreams. So if you're ready to start living your best life, let's dive in. Let's get it. I'm Morgan, the CEO. Welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you can do is learn a new language. Learning a new language can open up a whole new world of culture and communication. So whether you're interested in traveling or making new friends or just challenging yourself intellectually, there's many great resources online that help you get started. Some popular options include Duolingo and Rosetta Stone. And I believe they both have apps for your phone, so it makes it even easier for you. The second thing you can do is try a new sport. Physical activity is good for your mental and your physical health. Trying a new sport can be a fun way and rewarding way to challenge yourself, whether you're interested in a team sport like soccer or basketball, individual sports like running or swimming, or maybe you don't know how to swim. Go learn how to swim. That could be cool. Any other like niche activities like rock climbing, martial arts, so many great things that you can explore. You never know, you might love it. Another thing is to explore new hobbies. Hobbies are a great way to unwind, express your creativity, learn new skills, whether you're interested in painting, knitting, woodworking, or any other crafts. There's so many great resources online that can help you get started and figure out what you might be interested in. You can also join online communities, local clubs, connect with like-minded people, and learn from others. You can also attend cultural events. Immersing yourself in new cultural experiences can be a great way to broaden your perspective and learn different traditions and ways of life. So whether it's attending music festivals, visiting a museum, trying out new foods, you can also just go to cultural events in your city and explore the activities that they have in every community. The last thing I'm gonna say is you can take a class or a workshop. There's many online, or you can visit one that's in your community. So if you're interested in learning a new skill or a new subject, taking a class or a workshop could be a great way to dive deep and get your hands-on experience. Whether you're interested in cooking, coding, writing, or anything else, there's many online and in-person options that you can choose from. You can also get yourself a mentor and just learn from their experience and their expertise. All right, to close this out, remember, life is about growth and exploration. So by trying new things and experimenting with different hobbies and interests, you can expand your horizons, you can challenge yourself, and you can discover new passions and talents that you never knew existed. Whether you're learning a new language, trying a new sport, exploring a new hobby, attending a cultural event, or taking a class or workshop, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the journey. I'm gonna say that again, enjoy the journey. So get out there, start exploring, and who knows what amazing things you discover, okay? Hope that helped y'all. I'm gonna try to make a lot more videos like this. This is a brand new channel, and I am finally, actually, you know what? Nice plug-in for this is I'm trying something new. I'm trying the whole YouTube game, seeing if I like this. Actually, you know, for years I've been wanting to be a YouTuber, so now I'm just like, let's try it out. So this might be a new hobby for me, or who knows where it may take me. So this is me trying. Let me be an example of trying new things for you so that you can go out and do the same thing, okay? Like this video, share, comment. Let me know if you got anything from this. Subscribe. Much love to y'all. I'm Morgan, the CEO. Peace.